Hey guys, I'm Tony from Tectonic Byte, and the best phone of 2017 in my opinion has to be the Pixel 2, and I say this for a couple reasons. So first off, the build quality is superb. I really like the build quality because the majority of the backside of the phone is made of aluminum and the top portion is made of glass to improve wireless connectivity. And the aluminum on the back is stained with plastic, which feels really nice in the hand. And surprisingly, I thought it would feel like a budget phone, but it actually feels really nice in the hand. And as for the screen, it's a 5-inch 1080p AMOLED display, and it looks really good because the colors are vibrant, and they aren't too vibrant like some Samsung phones, and it's a pretty good screen. But a huge drawback to the Pixel 2 is that the bezels are just humongous, and they look disgusting. It basically makes the Pixel 2 look like it was a 2015 phone, and that's not really good because it's already 2018, so the phone looks pretty outdated. However, it makes up for the bezels in that the camera is really good, the software is really good, and the dual speakers also sound really good. So let's talk about the software, and as for software, it runs stock Android at the latest version of Android Oreo, and you're gonna get 3 years of consistent updates, and that's really good because it's not gonna lag over time and the updates are gonna come quickly to your phone. So whatever bugs there are, they'll just fix it right away. And when you switch apps, it's really smooth and fast. And with 4GB of RAM and the Snapdragon 835, it doesn't have the best specs for an Android smartphone in 2017, but it makes up for that with software optimization. And as for the camera takes really sharp pictures with great dynamic range. And the portrait mode is also very good because there's not much artifacting around the subject, and the bokeh or background blur actually looks pretty good, although it looks a little bit fake. So overall, the Pixel 2 is my pick for the best phone of 2017 because the display is really good, the dual speakers sound good, the camera is just amazing, and so is portrait mode, and the design is very nice, besides the bezels. Thank you RJ for letting me be in this collab, and thank you all so much for watching. My channel link is going to be in the description down below. Please feel free to check me out if you liked my content.
What's up guys, RJ from RJ Tech HD. I want to thank Tony for being on my channel for his collaboration of the best phones of 2017. And speaking of the best phones, this is my part of the collaboration. I got here from Sprint my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. I had this phone for at least about a few weeks. And let's check the long list of pricing for this phone, the Note 8 right here. It's an expensive phone, guys. Samsung Galaxy Note 8. I actually got it outside the box right here. This phone is actually so amazing. I'm going to get into the reasons why. So, in this part of the collaboration of mine, I'm going to just go over the pros and cons of the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Reasons to buy it, reasons to step away from this phone. I know the price is probably one of the reasons, but I'm going to get into a more detailed list of why. So starting off with number one, the actual device itself, the aesthetics of the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, it's phenomenal. I never hold a phone this good compared to the one I had in the past, the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge Plus. This phone was actually pretty thin. It's really thin compared to this phone. The Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is actually a really thick device. Thick, very thick. Alright, so this phone is just amazing how the differences are between these two, and it's literally one of the reasons why I bought this phone, because it has a different form factor. It's something brand new I can try out in the world, and I love it. So number two on the pros list will be the S Pen. The S Pen has so much features. It's amazing. Just sketching, writing, just doing all this stuff on this phone that no one else could be doing in the previous notes, because the software gets better over time. And although it's really sad that the Samsung Galaxy Note 7 never got its chance to shine, the Note 8 is doing a pretty good job of carrying on the Note legacy. The predecessors are pretty okay, but they're not the best. I have the Samsung Galaxy Note 3, the Note 5. I did get to try the Note 7, but had to refurbish. I had to throw that away because it was going to explode. Probably, I do not know. That's why they recalled them. Anyways, another reason why I did get this phone, the dual cameras. The dual cameras is literally my favorite part. The actual reason why I got the phone is because of the cameras. The dual lens cameras beat the competition, period. It's just the best phone with dual cameras right now. I know there are a bunch of them out there, such as the LG it's either the LG, no, it's the LG V30. That phone has dual cameras on the back. It's not the best, but it's pretty good. As Michael Fisher said, Mr. Mobile, aka Mr. Mobile, go check out his channel. I'll leave in the description below of this collaboration, because he actually was a little bit of the inspiration of me getting the Note 8, because when he did his video on the LG V30, he talked about how the cameras are really good, so I wanted to try that out too. I did check out the LG V30 in the store, and they let me try it out with the Note 8, and there was a big difference between the cameras, and it's awesome. I also saw the iPhone X a while ago before I even had the Note 8 and my idea. So technically I was going to get an iPhone X before, but I never had the money then to get it. But it was in my mind to probably purchase one once I had the money. But, you know, the Note 8 came up and I decided to buy this phone, even though if it was pretty pricey. Yeah. Yeah, it's great speakers. Probably not in the right placement where I wanted to have it at, but it's actually pretty good. It's pretty loud. But if you cover it up, it's going to cancel out that sound. And the fingerprint sensor is just, it's the biggest con of this phone. Like, having a fingerprint sensor this high, it's terrible. For me, I'm still trying to get used to it. It's not the best placement for the fingerprint sensor compared to my S6 Edge Plus, where it's just right there in the home button. But it's still something I have to work on. It's not the biggest con, but I know it's just a con of the phone. And I also have these AKG headphones, which are pretty much overhyped, but they do sound pretty amazing. And when it comes to audio on the Note 8, I use mainly my Sony headphones right here that I got for my birthday, and they're still the best type of headphones to jam with the Note 8. And they match too, so that's pretty amazing. Also, guys, a part of this video, go check out dbrand's link in the description below. That's all I want to say about the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. This phone has been amazing, and I love this phone. Hopefully nothing bad happens to it like my Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge Plus has, because the camera fell on the phone and it cracked the screen, so I couldn't use it anymore. That's why I bought the Note 8. But I hope nothing like that happens to my Note 8. Hope the Note 8 stays safe for a very long time until I get the next phone. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, go subscribe to me and Tony. I'll leave the links to both of our channels in the description below, including Michael Fisher, aka Mr. Mobile. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Please click that like button if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this with other tech YouTubers. And also, if you heard about the whole YouTube thing with the new monetization rules, they're going to be having channels like mine, which is below 1,000 subscribers, to demonetize our stuff entirely until we get to 1,000 subscribers and get, I'm thinking 4,000 or 400 watch time views, I'm guessing. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. But please help me get to 1,000 subscribers, because I do like to be paid on my channel, because it'll help me get more gear to make more crispy content like this, and just help me invest in other gear for my other professions, such as videography, photography. Cause I do those type of things outside of RJ Tech HD, and I'll be getting to a whole video of that announcement later on in the future. But yeah, guys, go subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is right there below. Go click that. And also subscribe to Tony once more. I'll leave it in the end cards at the end of the video. Anyways, guys, peace. See you guys in the next video. Love you guys.